question is about if it's still allowed to turn on lights on Yom Tov according to a psak of Rabbi Ovadia Yosef.
Lights on Yom Tov, he never, I don't think he allowed it. No. On Yom Tov, so one second. So on Yom Tov, you're allowed to light from pre-existing flame. So meaning what? Meaning what? That you have one candle, and from that candle you can light another candle. That's all.
Another question related to this is if every time that we mention at Tzaddik is mandatory to say Secher Tzaddik Livracha.
No, it's not necessary, but it's a respect to that person. Yes.
So this was from a lecture I was watching the other day, but it seems that this Pesach was old. It's many decades ago. I'm not sure if it's still allowed for Sephardim, but it's about turning a light on Yom Tov, and you cannot turn it off.
I'm not sure about this psak. So I don't know. So if you have, for example, if you have a timer, yeah, you can use timer to turn the lights on and off. That's what we have in our house, right? So in some areas we don't, so we just leave it like in a restroom, right? So you have a light all night, all day on, sometimes 3 days in a row. What can you do?